I'm a pretty young savage out here causing havoc. Got that gas.
What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be braiding my hair in some boho feed-in braids. So just jumping right in, my hair is freshly washed. I clarified my hair, I washed it, and now I'm just going to take a blow dryer and just blow dry my hair and stretch it out. When I blow dry my hair, I prefer to use the tension method first. So I'm just pulling on my hair, making sure that it's stretched out and running the blow dryer along it, and then I use my Denman brush to smooth my ends and smooth my roots. When I blow dry, I use the Aunt Jessie's leave-in conditioner, and then I also use the Chi Iron Guard heat protectant. I am what I call myself a blow dry natural, and so I do blow dry my hair on a regular basis. No, I do not suffer from any type of damage from it. I've been doing this for a long time. Back in April, I did cut my hair off significantly. I cut it shorter than collarbone length, and this is my growth from April until now, with me doing just the bare minimums with my hair and blow drying my hair on a daily basis. So as you can see, it does not damage my hair in any way, shape, or form.
Say you're gonna hold me down. Where was you when the chips was down? You were just saying that. Say you're real, but I ain't sure no more. I had to go and get it on my own.
Okay, so now you guys are going to see me take some time to part my hair. I find it really important to kind of section your hair off before you start to braid. That way you can kind of have a guideline. I'm getting up and I'm putting my hair into two sections to check my part, and I did that, y'all. I did that on the first try. But yeah, I'm gonna do 6 braids in my hair, so I'm just taking the time to section my hair and then kind of braid it out of the way. That way when I am actually braiding my hair, I don't have to take the time to stop and braid it and everything like that. So this just makes it a lot easier, and it makes it go a lot faster when you pre-section and pre-braid your hair beforehand.
Tell you niggas chill, bro. If you pick a side, nigga, you just better stay there. Say you're gonna hold me down. When was you when the chips was down? You were just saying that. Say you're real, but I ain't sure no more.
So y'all, at this point, my hands and my arms are already tired. Like, what have I gotten myself into? But this is the last section that I'm just sectioning off. At this point, I was dang near done already, and I had just started. But yeah, I'm just gonna be taking my braiding hair. So for me, I use the Rua. It's like the 3-sectioned hair, and it's already pre-stretched. So I use that, and I use the color 1B, and then I use the free tress. I think it was like the water wave. I will say that after this hair looked good for the first couple of days, but after that curly free tress hair got to be a mess. Like, it was dry looking, it was tangled, it was just a mess. So I will honestly never use that hair again. But the Rua, that's my tried and true when I'm doing my feed-ins. So right now I'm just taking some Shina Jam, and I am putting that on my hair, and I'm sectioning it off to start braiding. And I'm just going to go ahead and use the feed-in braid method while I braid it. You can see me putting the hair in my mouth, and that's just me holding it because my hair likes to slide back because my grip game is not that strong. But I'm just adding pieces of hair. As you see, I did take the bundle of the Rua hair. It's Rua by Expressions. I used that hair. I did take a bundle of that, and I actually cut it in half. That way the pieces could be shorter. In hindsight, I would probably leave the bundle as is because the braids were not long enough for my preference. I usually like my braids to be at least to my the middle of my waist, and these stop mid-back. So next time I try this, I'm definitely going to leave the hair in its long state, and I'm going to try a different type of curly hair because this hair, it was a struggle after the first couple of days. But I'm taking like little pieces out and I'm putting those like in my mouth. I'm touching those in my mouth so that I cannot braid those in. That way it can be kind of like the messy undone look. I'm also not braiding the ends of the braids very long. And then I'm going to take like a clear rubber band and I'm going to secure the ends to where there's still some hair sticking out at the bottom that's unbraided. And I'm going to secure that to tie off the braid.
Of hanging out in public just cause it's a look. No, I won't pretend that I had a good time.
So right now I'm just gonna slow it down for you guys also. I wish that I could have got a close-up shot to see what I was doing, but I probably have to show you guys on somebody else's head how to do the feed-ins because I can't get a really good close-up angle on my own head because it is just me here filming. So I slowed it down just a little bit for you guys to show you what I did and at what points I fed it in, but next time I'm gonna try to get a close-up.
Cause I realize that I ain't got the energy. I ain't got the energy. Yeah. No, I ain't got. No, I ain't got. No, I ain't got.
It's that girl Lay and Tiffany Houghton.
I ain't tryna change the game, I ain't tryna change my name, but I won't say I don't want to. I don't wanna feel rushed, oh baby if it does. We're doing what we're meant to. I'm scared with you, but I'm there with you.
I just also want to note that these braids are not perfect. I'm really just started dabbling in feed-in braids back in November. In this particular instance, it's only the second time that I've actually done them on my own head. And also the first time I've ever done my hair straight back. So they're not perfect. I am practicing, but I am just wanting to show you guys that it is completely possible to be able to do your own hair. You just have to practice at it. I would say practice at it on someone else first. And then once you get someone else's head down pat, then you can practice on your own head. So my braids are not perfect, but for what it is, for this being only my second time doing feed-ins on my own head, I think that I did pretty good, y'all.
Waste time, no back and forth, living my best life. Life is out so magical. Get lit like your flame on blue. Dance and smile, have a good time. We gon' glow and shine. So much love, it'll blow your mind. Sing this song like you know the rhymes.
Okay, to the whole week. I wanna get to love him. I wanna get to love him. That I can't. To the whole week. I wanna get to love him. I wanna get to loving you.
So if I could do anything differently here aside from leaving like the braiding hair long, I would make sure that I chose bigger sections of braiding hair before I got to the end of my braid, because my braid was pretty consistent all the way down when I really wanted it to kind of be like smaller at the top and then get bigger on the way down. But this is my last braid, hallelujah. My arms were on fire. I was just going through the struggle. So this is me just braiding my last braid. You can see me being like, thank you Jesus, all over my face.
She may be pretty, she may be smart, she may be funny, she's changed your broken heart. I'll never be her, although I try. She may seem perfect for you, but so am I. That I know it's wrong to take what I like, but I hope there's trouble in paradise. You seem to think that she'll be the one, but I don't. 'Cause I know one will love you like
So now I'm just taking my shears and I'm cutting like some of the free tress hair, and I'm making it a little bit shorter. The crazy part about it is, y'all, is I don't really like the look of my head with hair just straight back. So I would either wear my hair like this, or I would put it in a ponytail. Now I'm just gonna take some spray just so that I can make sure that my hair is gonna stay. And then I'm taking some Lotta Body mousse, and I'm putting that on my hair. This is like some foaming spray, like setting. I'm gonna be taking that and I'm gonna be basically doing my edges. I am not an edge artist, y'all. I have tried and tried and tried. I can't do mine. I can't do London's. It's bad. But now I'm just taking my bandana and I'm securing my hair for a couple minutes. And now you see I have put my hair in a ponytail. But this is my final look. I actually liked them. There were just, like I said, those few things that I would do differently. But I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.